Hi everyone, today we have the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Sheila Kiss, owner of Kiss Dental Care in New York. Dr. Kiss has been running her dental practice for over 20 years now, providing exceptional dental services to her community. And today we're going to talk about her experiences with Copify and how it has benefited her business. Dr. Kiss, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be talking about my experience. Running a dental practice is really rewarding, but marketing, not so much. Now, that's another story entirely.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, you have been in this business for around 20 years, and I'm sure that marketing has changed drastically over that time. How did you go around marketing your business initially?
It wasn't easy, but when I first started, marketing was mostly word of mouth, a few ads in the local paper, and then the digital world really evolved. I realized I really needed a online presence, and that was quite difficult for me. I tried handling it myself, but setting up a website, running some ads, it quickly became really overwhelming for me. I'm a dentist, I'm not a marketer. I wanted to focus more on my patients and not spend hours figuring out marketing strategies.
That makes perfect sense. So what was it that actually led you to Copify, and what was it about their services that really appealed to you?
Another great question. Like many business owners, I was getting really tired of agencies promising me lots of things, and I was getting reports full of clicks, impressions, traffic. I'm a dentist, I really don't know what that means, but where were the extra patients? They weren't coming through the door. I needed a marketing partner who understood the dental industry and could bring me real clients. That's what I really wanted, not just metrics. That's when I came across Copify. At first, I started with their PP services, and while it helped increase traffic to my site, I realised that in my field of dentistry, patients don't just click and then instantly walk through the door. They sort of research, compare, like we all do, and they take their time choosing the right dentist. That's when the team at Copify suggested CEO, and wow, what a difference that really made.
Very interesting. And when you switched from PPC to SEO, what kind of results did you start seeing?
Well, at the start, I really didn't know what to expect. Like I said, I'm a dentist, I'm not a marketer. But the team reassured me that it would be a long-term investment. You've got to look at it like that, a long-term investment. And they were absolutely 100% right. Over time, I started noticing my website ranking higher on Google. That was great. And instead of paying for every click, I was naturally attracting potential patients searching for a dentist in my area. Within months, I had more inquiries, more bookings, and even long-term treatment plans. It wasn't just about the numbers, it was getting the right kind of patients through my doors, and that makes all the difference.
That's incredible. One concern I hear from business owners is whether a marketing agency really understands their industry. Did you feel that Copify had the right expertise in healthcare marketing?
Well, that was one of my biggest hesitations. I was really worried about that before working with an agency. I needed someone who really understood the nuances of running a dental clinic, not just generic marketing tactics. Any agency can do that. Copify took the time to learn about my business, my goals, and even the unique challenges as a dentist that I face. And I wanted to attract new patients. They weren't just selling me a service, they were building a strategy, a long-term strategy, tailored specifically to my clients' needs. And that really made all the difference.
That's fantastic to hear. Now, if you could give one piece of advice to other dentists or just other business owners in general who are a little hesitant about investing in working with a marketing agency, what piece of advice would that be?
That's quite easy because, time is money and it's valuable. And I want to focus on being a dentist, not being a marketer. So while you might be great at being a dentist, it doesn't mean you have to be a great marketer. And partnering with the right agency, one that sort of really understands my needs, dentist needs, that's what you're after. And it can really transform your business, take it from, down here to up there. That's what we all want. And Copify didn't just bring me leads, they brought me real high quality patients. That's what I really wanted, who trusted my expertise before they even step into my office. So if you're sitting on the fence, I'd say just do it. They're absolutely fabulous.
Wow. Well said. Really well said. Thank you so much, Dr. Kiss, for joining us, for sharing your story and giving us your insights. And it's been a real pleasure talking with you.
Thank you for having me. And of course, it's great thanks to Copify. They've really helped my business. They've really taken it up an extra gear for me. Just love it and helping my practice grow.